I thought I'll discuss a bit about the major benefits which are there in a health insurance plan. Now, health insurance is a plan in which you pay a small premium and you ensure that in case any major eventuality in terms of health or due to an accident happens, the insurance companies will foot those bills. So in case you're admitted to a hospital, the entire medical bills will be taken care of. Now let me explain the major benefits which come along with a health insurance plan. The first big benefit which a health insurance plan offers is the cashless facility. Now, in case you're admitted to a hospital, the entire process is cashless for you. Now, this happens only if the insurance company from which you've taken the plan has this hospital in their network list. In case the hospital does not fall in the network list, you will have to make the payment to the hospital and later the insurance company will reimburse the expenses to you. Always better if you are actually admitted in a hospital which is part of the network. Now, it is possible that when you take the plan, the insurance company has this hospital as part of the network list, but then is later removed. So it's a list which keeps changing once in a while, but that's really bad luck in case your hospital moves out of the network list. So cashless facility is a great feature to have in your health insurance plan. So coming to the next feature, the hospitalization benefits. Basically, in case you get admitted into a hospital for more than 24 hours, all the medical bills are taken care of by the insurance company. It includes your doctor's fees, your room rent, your ICU, let's say oxygen, blood, all of which is taken care of by the insurance company. You also have a pre-hospitalization benefit. In case you incur treatment costs for an ailment for which you later get admitted to the hospital, the insurance companies bears those costs also. Please keep in mind that the period of pre-hospitalization expenses being covered is usually between 30 to 60 days. Similarly, you also have a post-hospitalization expenses. Your post-hospitalization expenses are also taken care of by the insurance company. In case you're admitted for a particular treatment, there is a recovery period even after you are discharged. Again, the insurance companies take care of these expenses. The period ranges from 60 to 90 days. Check for the exact period for which the insurance company covers you. You also have the benefit of covering some of the expenses under daycare procedures. Now, due to advancement in technology, there are some treatments which no more require a 24 hours hospitalization. Like let's say cataract. It can be easily treated, maybe in 3 to 4 hours you can actually be discharged from the hospital. So insurance companies have a prescribed list of diseases for which they will pay the expenses even if you are not hospitalized for 24 hours. Now this list might vary from one insurance company to another. So check if their daycare expenses are also being covered. You then have maternity benefits being covered. Now of late, a lot of insurance companies have started offering plans which cover the expenses which are incurred during maternity. Now, please bear in mind that there are caps on the amount of expenses which you can incur in this. I don't think they will cover the entire expenses, but it still helps. You know, they might have a cap of 30 to 35,000, in some cases even 50,000. So they will bear it up to that limit. Again, it usually has a waiting period of, let's say, 2 years, 3 years, in some cases even 4 years. We'll speak in detail about this in another section. You also have some plans which offer maternity benefits. This has become popular of late because there seems to be a huge demand for this. Now, please bear in mind that not all the expenses are covered. There are certain caps on the expenses which can be reimbursed. For example, some plans might have a limit of 35,000 for which you can claim maternity expenses. Also, there are usually waiting periods that you might have to actually continue the policy for 3 years to avail maternity expenses as a benefit. Some companies force you to take a 3-year cover so that you get maternity expenses benefit after 9 months. So it's a mixed bag, but it is still being offered by some insurance companies right now. Organ donor examples. The medical expenses incurred in harvesting an organ for transplant is also covered by the insurance company. Again, please read the policy wordings carefully to clearly understand what is covered in this part of the plan. Then you've got a health checkup being covered by the insurance company. Basically, insurance companies are encouraging you to go for a health checkup so that you stay healthy, and if there is any illness, it is detected very early. Most insurance companies start offering this as a benefit after 2 to 3 years of your continuing with them. Some insurance companies offer it in the first year itself, so that's a great feature to have. Ambulance charges. In case you need to avail an ambulance to move into the hospital, most policies cover the expenses for them. Expenses which you've incurred in case of Ayurvedic treatment. Not all policies cover this as of now, but there are some policies which have started offering this benefit. Again, there is a cap for which you can claim the expenses. You also have a feature called the no claim bonus. So in case you've not made a claim in the entire policy here, you are either offered a higher cover for the same premium, or there is a reduction in the premium and the cover is maintained the same. All insurance companies offer this benefit. Then of course we have the income tax benefits under section 80D. So the government is trying to encourage you to take a health insurance plan for yourself. You can claim benefits up to 25,000 as an individual. In case you're a senior citizen, you can claim up to 30,000 income tax deduction. I hope you found this useful. We'll be creating a lot more videos and content on more detailed factors of health insurance. So guys, please go get health insurance. Don't rely on your company provided health insurance only. And you can of course compare health insurance plans in a very systematic and detailed manner on My Insurance Club. Thank you.